Thawaina Pontha Pikiba Police Personnel Singbuning Singduna, Laibak Sinba Tungna Pangthokpagum, Manipur Police na susinduna Manipur Police Commemoration Day Palan ngasi, Ahanba Manipur Rifles na Laiba Memorial Complex na Pangthokre. Police Commemoration Day gi Thoram Thaubal District Police na sinduna District Headquarter Thaubal Police da Pangthokre. Police Commemoration Day gi Thoram Ziribam District tasu Ziribam District Police ki Laikhidraba Police ahum gi mafam da haikat laikat tamduna ikai khumnaba utpaga loinana pangthokre. Manipur Sarkar na Manipur Police lingkhat khibagi Rising Day ga mari lainana chahi khudingi Manipur gi oina khwaidagi faba police station amasung best police officer gi reward pibada handak chahi gi oina second third amasung best police station amasung best police officer Tarakhrabasing ngasi taram okre. Manipur da ahan oina Education Minister T.S. Radhesyamna Class 3 ki mahiroi singidamak Environmental Studies ki comic textbook ama Samagra Shiksha Babu Parada Pangthokpa Thauram amada phongkre. MLA AK Mirabai na ngasi BKC Enterprise Private Limited ki multi-broker Prepaid Trading Center ama BT Road ta laiba Gambir Shopping Arcade ta Online Trading Academy Manipur gi Taramathoi Suba Foundation Day Thauram Pangthokpaga loinana sangakhre. Tha asigi tang tara tareta Friendly Environmental Warriors FEW Ziribam na sinduna pangthokhiba Sirui Lili Festival saruk yaba lakhiba advisor Hais Rajan Kumar Singhana luchingba miyoi kunthra na saba team harautayam okre.